Welcome, friends, to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing this data cable. It is called 4-in-1 data cable. It cost me almost 480 rupees. So I ordered this from Temu, Pakistan. So let's see. It's open, and this is okay. So this is rubber band. So this is okay. Uh, Not bad. It's okay. It's fine. It's good. And how this is USB. So how to unlock this? Okay, just pull it up. This is USB Type C. This is USB. Okay, and let's pull up and down. This is USB. So this is USB to USB. You can see, and now this in this iPhone. So let's okay check it USB to USB. So here is our mobile phone. So and here is my power bank. It is 5000 mAh power bank, cheap one. So the orange monoxide. This one, okay, just starting this one and this one to my Redmi 9. Okay, yes, it is working. It's charging. You can see it's charging. That's good. Now let's see what this one can do. Just pull it up. This one, and here is the Type C. Okay, nothing happened. Type C to Type C. I think okay. No, no, nothing. Nothing happened. Something happening that I don't know. Okay, I think that's nothing happened. Okay. So that's all. At that rate, uh, for 80 rupees, I don't think so. It's a good one to buy. So I don't recommend. This is very much expensive and not worthy. So that's all for Temu.